Hey guys, today we're making this really yummy and easy to make flatbread. It's so yummy and goes perfect with any dish, and it's so simple to make. As always, the full recipe will be in the description box below, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram. They are so soft and really yummy. Okay, so to make them, in a bowl you're going to add in your milk and water mixture, as well as your yeast, and your sugar. And then you just want to mix this all together and then let this sit for about 10 minutes. Once it's been 10 minutes, then you can add in your flour, as well as your salt, and then you just want to add in your dough hook to your stand mixer, and then you just want to mix this all together until it forms a smooth dough. Keep mixing it, and it should start forming into a dough like this. If you do need a little bit more water to make a soft dough, you can add it in. Alternatively, if it's too soft, then you can add in more flour. Then you're going to add in your olive oil and then just mix this all together once again. It should start incorporating in well and mix into the dough. And it will form a really smooth and lovely dough. Like this. And once it's done, you can see how smooth and soft it is. And this is what you're looking for. Then you're going to take it and form it into a dough ball. And make sure you oil your bowl before placing your dough into it so that it doesn't stick. And then just place your dough ball into it. Make sure you oil the top of the dough as well. Next, you want to cover it with some plastic wrap and then cover it with a cloth and leave this to rise in a warm place for about 2 hours. Once it has risen, it should look like this. And then you can take out the dough onto a surface and then split the dough into about 8 pieces. Then take a piece and then roll it in between your hands tightly like this to make a nice smooth ball. And there's your perfect ball. And repeat with all the dough. Then you want to let these dough balls rise for about 20 minutes and they should double in size like this. And then you can take one and then just roll it out, not too thin or too thick. And it should look like this. Then you're going to take a pan and place it over medium to high heat and then just place one of your rolled out dough into the pan and let this brown for a few minutes. Then you can flip it over and see how lovely it becomes. And once it's done, then you can take it out and brush over some butter if you like. And then just repeat with all the dough. And that's it. Garnish with some fresh coriander if you want. And it's so yummy. It's an easy recipe to follow and goes perfect with any dish. It's so yummy. Thank you so much for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a giant thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. I post new videos every Sunday. I'll see you in my next video.